Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone podcast. My name is Kathy. With the defense's motion for a continuance being denied, and with Judge Stephen J. Hippler's amended scheduling order setting voir dire for August 4th and the trial to commence approximately August 18th, 2025, in my opinion, barring anything unforeseen, this trial is going to happen starting August of 2025, the case of Idaho versus Kohberger. I wanted to call to your attention the Idaho versus Kohberger podcast, which I get a lot of questions about. You've seen the episodes pop up on this YouTube channel. It's a little bit different. They all have the white covers, and you'll see the episode number, different than the content that's original that we put on our YouTube channel. After the podcast was established, it then populated onto various other platforms from its original platform, including this YouTube channel. I like this YouTube channel for two reasons. Number one, it has a searchable engine. The podcast is 745 episodes right now. Started with episode 1, page 1 of the affidavit of probable cause. Page 18, where Detective Brett Payne asked for Mr. Kohberger's arrest, as he did back on December 29th, 2022, is episode number 18. And then on through the docket, we've covered every single document that's on that court docket, and we've also referenced from the case summary page the many documents, hearings, and other things that are under seal. Idaho versus Kohberger is so large now. It is unsearchable. There's no search engine, and that's where I think the podcast can really help. If you're new to the case, or even if you've been following it from day one and just want to refresh yourself and get back and get into the middle of the documents again, the foundation, the floor, as the case now attempts to move into the top floor of the trial to understand everything that came before and where things are right now. There's a search engine on YouTube that if there's one item that you're particularly interested in, for example, change of venue, episodes that deal with that particular issue of change of venue will be listed. The second reason why I like this YouTube channel is it gives me the opportunity with certain specific episodes from the podcast to fill it in with visuals for you, where, for example, I can show you episode 745 addressed the state of Idaho's efforts to domesticate a trial subpoena from Idaho in Washington as it relates to MM. And we brought to your attention that the hearing that where MM would have had to go into court in Whitman County and show cause why she should not be compelled to attend trial, it was continued. I've already gotten a few questions regarding that. Well, what happens if the Whitman County Court doesn't enter an order compelling MM to attend trial? Well, as with all of the domestication of trial witnesses that we've covered on the podcast and YouTube channel, if she does not attend the trial, then the state of Idaho can't hold her in contempt as they would if she were a resident and worked in Idaho. That's why they're going through the domestication process. If you have any questions, comments, please leave them here. If you like our content, please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, I would greatly appreciate it if you would consider doing so. Until next time, my name's Kathy. Thank you for joining us today.